Hello friends, welcome to India Travelog. Today we'll be doing unboxing of Mavic Air. But before we do that, I just need to tell you that we selected Mavic Air by doing some comparison with other DJI drones. So one of them was Mavic Pro, the other was DJI Spark and Mavic Air. Also Mavic Air comes with two options, one is the normal Mavic Air and another with the Fly Mode combo. So finally we decided that we'll be buying the Mavic Air Fly Mode combo. The reason being that this has got a lot of features as well as its camera is very good and it can shoot 4K video, as well as the price is in between Mavic Pro and Spark. And also there are certain features over here like boomerang and all these types of shots which are unique to Mavic Air than DJI Spark. So the price of Mavic Pro was around 100k Indian rupees at Amazon. The price of Mavic Air Fly Mode combo was around 94k Indian rupee, and the other was the DJI Spark, which was around something around 63. But what we did is that we found some local searches at India Mart, and we quickly did analysis, and we found that over here in the local market we are getting it at much lesser price. So we finally bought this at 74k Indian money. So let's start with the unboxing. So what we have over here, this is a Fly Mode combo as I said. So this is the Mavic Air, which we will do review later. I'll just keep it aside. Apart from that, whatever we get, we will just take over here. So we get a box. It looks like this in box. The first thing that we get over here is all the manuals over here. So these manuals that you are seeing are all, the instruction set, which I don't want to read now, so I'll keep it aside. We get two pair of propeller guards, and here is the Fly Mode combo box. So this is a nice little box which contains all the different types of Fly Mode combo kit that comes. The first thing that you get over here is the control. So over here goes the phone, which I'll show later, and this is the antenna, and you get two knobs to be fitted over here like this. So this is to control. The antenna angle should be like this for maximum gain, and the phone that we need to fix over here, iPhone for this, but there are also others in this pack which you can convert to a USB-C type so that you can attach Samsung Galaxy or any other types of phone. There are different connectors available. So let me first connect it. Over here what we need is the DJI Go application that you need to download and you need to keep it installed. We'll come to this later. We'll first unbox the other part. So let's see what we have here. We have got two sets of propellers. Fly Mode combo, there are two sets that comes, as well as there are other cables, battery to USB charger. So in the box we are having another set of cable as well as two extra batteries and the power adapter from DJI, and that's all. So the box is empty now. So this is a dock connector, so you can charge 4 batteries together. So this one goes right inside like this, and you keep it flat on the surface. This one is a power adapter. This is a Chinese one, so you would need a converter if you're in India. So here you're ready for battery charging. Now first thing, before even we go ahead with opening this one, your battery should be charged. So go ahead and first charge all your batteries. So these are the two, and the other one should be with the Mavic Air. So I'll just organize it a bit. Now we will open our Mavic Air. Tan ta ta. Here it goes, the beautiful, the pocket-sized Mavic Air. You see the beauty of it. Means this one we bought is Arctic White, and I think other one in the box it's written on the top of the box. There are three colors. One is Oxy Black, one is Flame Red, and Arctic White. We went for Arctic White. It looks good, and I'm a fan of white. You can see there's a battery in the below. There's a gimbal protector inside it. There's a gimbal. These are the propellers, and these are the motors. So these are your propellers, and these are your motors. And there are different other kinds of sensors behind. We just lift this one, and we pull this one. So first lift the behind leg, and then pull the front leg, and then you need to extend this, the landing gear, but this is also an antenna, so this has to be straight for maximum gain. So before we start, it's written over here, so we have to take out the gimbal. So it's very easy. So you just press this, lift it, and take it out, right? So here goes our gimbal cover. So it's very loose. This is how it should be. Nothing to worry, it's fine. Your fan should be spinning. You just check this, it's fine. And then comes your battery. So to take out the battery, what we need to do is that we need to just pull this out, and as easy as this, right? And we'll again put it in, click, and it goes. So here is the battery, and if I click once, I will see what is the charge in it. So if you see, there are 4 indicators which shows that this battery is fully charged, which is good. And if you see, this box is really good, by the way. A proper sturdy one. You can use it in any travel bag, you can carry it in your luggage, nothing will happen, I'm telling you. It's very sturdy, I can feel it almost. You see, I'm giving a lot of pressure, it works fine. These are all the converters that we have. USB-C type converter, and another one is the micro USB converter. So you have micro USB at both ends. One goes to this on this port, and other goes to inside your phone. So this controller is very interesting. The best part over here is that this controller can be operated even without a screen if you are pro enough. And there are also other different types of quick shortcut, like camera over here. So there is a camera one, there is a one for recording, and this is one for the yaw, and this is for the lift, the pan, and then fly ahead, and on the move left. So these are the different controlling function. But with the screen, with a phone attached, you can see it, you can view exactly what the camera sees, what your drone sees, and you can direct it. So there is a USB port over here. Okay, so there is a USB port over here. You just plug it in, and we take this out, and we directly plug this cable inside this port. You can charge both the batteries as well as the controller. Before you take off your flight, just take a little note of different type of information, like what is the Wi-Fi address, what is your password of the Wi-Fi, as well as the serial number before you even fly it, so that if required, if for warranty or something, or if it is in air, you need to connect it over Wi-Fi, you know exactly what should be your SSID as well as the password. So now we have arranged all the kits that comes with this Mavic Air Fly More combo. Over here we get a bag. This bag is quite important because this bag itself is handy enough to go out for a travel. Even you don't need to take this if in case you are traveling with all the 5 Fly More combo kit. So this bag, what you do over here, you put your extra batteries. The other battery is already over here. You take the charging cable, whatever connector you think you need to take, you take that, and you also put the charging hub. And here this Mavic drone will sit. Take this charging cable for the controller drone. So same thing, first we close this one. Just see that none of your propeller blades are having any difficulty in movement. And here goes your controller. Okay, so now we will show you how to fly the drone along with this controller that they have given. So first thing is to make it on. So with the position of flight where your gimbal cover is out, your propellers are all extended, this base is straight, with all these three things in mind. So what we need to do is that first we need to switch on this button once. This will show the battery level. So here there are 4 battery, so there are 4, the level is fine. So we'll press it once and again and press and hold it. That's all. So now you see it's testing itself. It has started. Good. And now I switch on the controller. So for switching the controller, it's the same thing where we will first switch this, press this button once and then hold it. That's all. So now it should pair itself automatically. The red light is glowing and then it has turned green. So over here we have this go fly mode, and what we do over here is press go fly. Once we press go fly, we can see whatever this camera sees. So over here it is saying that there is an obstacle because in front there is a camera, but still it will take off. So let's take the takeoff flight. So here we go. Take off. So it's rotating and now we'll take it off. And it is buzzing. The reason behind is that there is a lot of obstacle in front, so it's buzzing. So we will put it down. So what we do is that we just press the down button and it sits on the table and it stops automatically. So it's that easy. So it's nothing to worry. So you can easily try it out. It's one of the easiest flying drones. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and remember that we'll be coming up with wonderful videos in our upcoming events. So you follow our channel, you will get all the different types, how to fly the drones, what to do with the gimbal and all this stuff. So keep in touch with us. Press the bell icon. Remember the bell icon. Cheers.